Hey, it's Werner, and this is Finding Frequency. I'm waiting for my egg boiler to let me know that the egg is ready. Rustling up something to eat. A little bit hungry. It's been a crazy day, super busy. Look, if you do 2 workshops in one day, that's not a joke, okay? Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, we did it. We went through 2 sessions, met some interesting people, had some very tough conversations, questions being asked. Hopefully this is just the start of the design process, and hopefully some new discoveries coming our way soon. So yeah, it's been an amazing day. Starting early, maybe also too early, taking Francie to the kindergarten on his little bicycle. He was full of beans. I'm trying a new thing. Where I'm trying to wake him up with music. Today I played him some old ska music from back in the day when I was younger, and I think the music itself is much older than me also. So, and he enjoyed it, and there was a smile on his face. So maybe that's a bit of a trick to get him into a good space. It's good to start your day in a good space and then end it on the couch in front of the television. Sorry, I'm talking about my life. So yeah, busy day. I'm a little bit overtired, I think, but it's been good. I also got to spend some time with my good friends from across the globe, Joshua, who is in South Africa, Dennis, who's in the Netherlands, and Jens, who's in Germany, to talk a little bit about innovation. I get invited to their Innovation Breakfast Club podcast, videocast, every so often, and it's always interesting to sit with them, listen to their conversations, and get a little bit of inspiration. So I hope you've had an extraordinary day yourself. Maybe you're a bit tired, and that is the indicator that my food is ready. So as I walk towards the noise to make it quiet, I just wanted to say to you, thanks for listening.